There are a lot of objections on the topic, should we change our technology if I am into the early stage of my career, if I am from a non-technical background, if I have certain experience and also I have certifications on my current technology, and much more. There are a lot of rumors, a lot of questions on the people's mind, and today we are gonna clear what are the basic aspects and what are the major ones which we have to overcome. Okay, so coming on to the first one, that if you are into the early stage of your career, you are 1 year, 2 year, 3 year experience, or maybe you're a fresher. Okay, so what happens is, as long as you are not feeling that the current technology is giving you a lot of progress, you are enjoying it every single day, okay, you are enjoying the process, you are enjoying the learning, you are like loving it with your whole heart, as long as it is not happening, you can go on to the next technology. Put that thing out of your mind that your experience would not be relevant if you will change that technology. Absolutely not. Just you have to do is, you have to prepare yourself on the new technology. You have to do some hands-on practical workshop. There are a lot of online portals where you can just do the practical stuff, and you just have to showcase in your interview that yes, you are not an amateur, you have little experience, you have done certain things practically, and if you would be able to showcase them, then you have a higher chances to getting into a new organization on a new technology and in a complete exposure, in a complete process. Okay, second thing comes in when people have that I am from a non-technical background. Okay, see, I was also from electronics. I was involved into networking, then I changed to Oracle, and then even I was not enjoying that process, I moved to cloud. And because that's the whole process, you have to identify what technology suits you best. And I'll also shoot a complete video how you can actually choose the complete technology what suits best for you. Okay, so once I identified that cloud is gonna work for me, and I just deep dived, I just saw that what are the different clouds, and then I picked one of them. That is the whole story, that is the whole thing with which I am able to like do those things for next 3-4 years as well. And I was not enjoying the Oracle. I just changed the Oracle technology in 8 to 9 months, and I changed the networking before Oracle in just 6 months. So as long as you're not feeling it comfortable, it does not matter whether you are from a technical background or from a non-technical background. The only thing which matters is that you should be into a technology, you should be into a skill what you love the most. The third one is, people say that we have a lot of certifications. I have been experienced, I've been working on this part, on this area for last 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 5 years. See, what you have to feel is the world is evolving with at a very fast pace. We never knew that this kind of thing, pandemic or corona, like this thing can come. Like, you cannot predict the future. So what you have to do is, you have to be on a mindset of evolution, that I have to evolve, I have to be open for the opportunities, I have to get change. If you feel that these are the few skills, these are the few technologies or few areas which have the broader scope in next 2 years, in next 1 year, in next 6 months, must go for that option. There is no like second thought for choosing that particular thing. Just evolve yourself, just put your hard work, put your hard efforts, put your high efficiency, high energy, and just go grab it. So that was the whole idea of this particular video, because a lot of people were asking me the question, and in the live sessions as well, they were asking, they wanted to change technology, but there are these few things were on top of their mind. So I tried to answer all of those things here. And if you resonate with this video, if you like this video, so do comment below, share your knowledge with other people as well, and I'll share the personal invite of my exclusive group, which is a Facebook community, which is massive high community, and we like keep on doing these kind of live sessions and interactions there. It is a hub of more than 400 software professionals. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated, stay inspired, and get on your work. Thank you. Bye.